So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can see all the sent friend requests on Facebook up to the day. Even if you had sent it more than 8 or 10 years ago, you will still be able to see all of them. So there are only 2 steps, and the very first step is you have to first of all open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android, and go to the search button and search here Facebook, and hit the search button. And when the Facebook app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all tap on this update button right here for updating your Facebook application. This is a mandatory step, otherwise you will see different options from me, and there are chances that you're not gonna find the sent friend requests. So after updating your Facebook application, you are done with the very first step. Now moving towards the final step, you have to open up your Facebook application and tap on this friends button available next to the video, and after that you have to tap on the see all button available next to the friend requests. Next, you have to tap on these 3 dots available at the top right corner of the screen next to the search button, and when you tap on that, an option appears up with view sent requests. So you got to tap on it, and here are all the requests that I have sent from this account, and here you can see that this request was sent 6 years ago and most of them are sent 8 years ago. Now if you want to cancel the request, simply tap on this cancel request button and all of these requests will be cancelled. So that's how you find the sent friend requests on Facebook. Thank you so much.